Welcome to Old School Chemistry, another great ALEKS topic for you. This is understanding the prefixes used in naming binary compounds. And so I have some rules for you. First, the prefix before the atom indicates the number of that atom. For example, this is diphosphorus. That tells you and I there are 2 phosphorus atoms. Next, write the number as a subscript to the right of the atom. Let me show you right here on the diphosphorus. You do P, and then the subscript is going to be a 2. That tells you and I, in symbolic form, there are 2 atoms of phosphorus. Next, do not write a 1 for mono. So if you have 1 atom, we don't write the 1 as a subscript. We would never do like a P with a subscript 1. We just write P. That is understood to be 1. So if you have the word mono, don't write the 1, just write the atom. It's understood to be a 1. And then lastly, if there's not a prefix, prefix, it's understood to be 1. The reason why we will have some that don't have a prefix is our rule for naming. As a reminder, if the first atom is only 1, we don't use mono. We don't say mono for our prefix. We only use mono if it's that second element and there's only 1 of that element. Okay, so let's do this together. We have our diphosphorus tetraiodide. Iodide is our iodine, and it's a tetra, so I do I4. This will be a P2I4. Next, diphosphorus, so how many phosphorus do we have? 2. Diphosphorus tetroxide. So tetra, that's 4, oxide, oxygen. So this is a P2O4. Now I have phosphorus triiodide. So no prefix on phosphorus. That's understood to be 1. So I write the P, and we don't put a 1 on that. It's just like having X is the same thing as 1X, and we don't put the 1. Okay, so phosphorus triiodide. Tri is 3. Iodide is our iodine. I3. And then triphosphorus pentanitride. So triphosphorus, I've got 3. This is a P3. And pentanitride. Penta is 5. Nitride is nitrogen. Now you might be asking, how did I know oxide is oxygen, nitride is nitrogen? Our rule for naming our covalent compounds, our molecular compounds, the second element, you change the ending to "ide." So nitrogen from the periodic table, okay, nitrogen from the periodic table becomes nitride when it's the second element. Oxygen is oxide. Iodine is iodide. Okay, well done. Super proud of you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Thanks.